This is the dog hunt. Got a good view on me, man. I'm filming this for racial purposes. I almost got the dog. I almost got the dog.
Something just hurt me.
I almost got the dog.
Come here. Something hurt me. Right in the cooches.
I almost got the dog. If I get the dog, my job here is done. So close, I can almost taste a victory.
Puppy.
I can't get a good view on it. I can't get the view.
Nick, don't do it in my...
I got it in the head. Woo!